8 o'clock at night. Brandon's on the phone with his mother. We probably got maybe a foot of snow, but the wind's really the issue because we got crazy snow banks. So you can see right here, no snow. You can see over there like a foot of snow. Hi, Brandon. Hi, Humphrey. You enjoying the weather?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go play. See these huge snow banks. Humphrey's just having a grand old time. You can see no snow, no snow, no snow. 4 inches of snow. He doesn't know where to go. There's so much snow.
Not as windy as it was.
Hey, you got the leash wrapped around his tail. Let's go. Oh my goodness, it's so deep. Oh wow. It's like a foot right here. Oh, jeez Louise. I got my snowboarding pants on. Humphrey's just having a grand time. I'm gonna close this gate so it doesn't get ripped off. Most of it?
Right.
I was gonna say, the ground doesn't go all the way up to the embankment wall. Oh my goodness, he's getting so snowy. Windy.
Want to go back in?
Humphrey, do you want to go back in? Ridiculous. Yeah, let's head back in. Do his business.